The instructional tool I selected next was Socrative. It is a tool for kind of like others that is used to make assessments. So you can make assessments, you can assign them to different students, you can get instant results. One of the nice features of this that I saw when exploring is that there is an associated quiz shop with it for free, where you can go in and look for different quizzes that are already available. These are primarily from middle school through high school. But you can go in and select, say, algebra, and there's many different options available for quizzes in algebra. You can select one of those, and then once you import that over to Socrative, you can copy that into your account, and then you can go over and select it. I had already played with some others, but you can select that, and then you can look through it, and you can add on multiple choice, true, false, short answer. You can add on other questions to the template quiz that you already imported and selected from the various options. But they don't just have math options. They have English language, science, social studies, world languages, and then, of course, you can make up your own quizzes. So I thought it was a very nice tool, and you can instantly see the results. You can print out reports to see how various students are doing. And I believe this aligns to ISTE standards for educational leaders, 3D, supporting educators to use technology to advance learning, and also 3E, develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of the student progress so that you can see the reports to see how the students are progressing. So thank you very much.